Hi, I hope you're doing well. I personally am doing well. So I finished yesterday The Secret History. If you've seen my other vlogs, you can see that I've read this book during so much time. I don't know, I just spent so many months reading this book. And so right now I want to start a new book that I've seen a lot on TikTok, like a lot. The Bell Jar from Sylvia Plath. It's way smaller, so I'm expecting to finish it way quicker than The Secret History. I'm gonna try to read this one like on a few days, and I just wanted to vlog it because I don't know, I want to like give you my personal impression during reading this book, and I like watching reading vlogs, so yeah. Also today it's raining, so isn't it a perfect weather to read? It is. Anyways, I want to start it like in a good vibe, so I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and start it there. Hey guys, so this afternoon I want to read, and I know the perfect spot in Paris to read, so I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna take you with me, obviously, and that's it. And I think I'll also like study a little because I've got exams coming and I don't want to, but I don't really have a choice. So it's raining and that's great for reading, but I literally have to put my coat on almost June. What is this? Hello, so it's raining right now. I don't know if you hear. And so this afternoon I'm going to the cinema with my sister. While waiting, I'm just reading. I've read already all this, so I'm pretty proud because it's only been like today is the third day that I've started this book, and I haven't finished it yet, but I want to do a little brief, can you say this in English? Just a little review of what I'm already reading. I love it. Honestly, I don't really know what I was expecting, but I am glad with what I'm reading. Not gonna lie, this girl is really depressive, but it's interesting. It's obviously well written, and I don't know, you know, there's like these books that you just read very smoothly, you know, you don't have to think, it just happens. And this is one of this kind of books, so I love it. You just read it and you can go on read and you never get bored, you know. So yeah, that's nice. Hi guys, so yesterday I finished The Bell Jar. I am pretty happy because I read it in 3 days and I usually am a slow reader, so that's great for me. I had a period in my time where I read much more, but I don't know, these few months I've read very slowly and a little, so I think this vlog motivated me to read it quicker. So now my little review. Okay, I think I'm putting to this book like 4 or 5 stars, but I loved it. I love Sylvia Plath's writing. I think she's just like, she knows where she's going, and I don't know, I mean, the one thing that I liked from this book is that the character was, well, not gonna lie, she was depressed, but the mood didn't drag me down. It wasn't a very depressing book to read. Sometimes you read a book and it is great, but it's so depressing, and then you read it and you're on a bad mood. This one wasn't like that. I wouldn't say it was light, but you know, so yeah, I was like, oh, when there was the fig tree analogy, because you know, it's viral on TikTok. I plan on doing a journal page for this book, but I haven't done it yet. So follow me on TikTok if you want to see it, because I think I'm gonna do it there. It was honestly pretty easy to read, even if English isn't your first language, it's pretty easy to read. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked this little video. Tell me if you want other reading vlogs. I would love to do them, and if you liked it, well, please put a like, it would mean a lot to me, and subscribe if you want other videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye.